and here with some snakes like the corn snake and the king snake. Let's look at the snake. This is the southern copperhead, and he's a venomous snake. Look at this monster. His head is triangulish. This is the pine snake, and he is non-venomous. He's not nocturnal, though. He's diurnal, which means he is active in the day. When he's scared, he raises his tail up against a bunch of leaves. See him? He looks like a very non-venomous guy. That's because he isn't a venomous buddy. He's our friend. Oh, I'm sorry, are we back? Oh, I'm sorry. This is the eastern king snake. He is famous for eating other dangerous snakes. But when you see them in the wild, don't kill them, because they eat other mean snakes who are very mean. Like the copperhead and the diamondbacks. Okay, and the cottonmouth. Okay, moving on to the next snake. Is this snake a scarlet snake, scarlet king snake, or eastern coral snake? This snake is an eastern coral snake. Want to know how I can tell? Because if red touches yellow, it's on a snake, it'll kill a fellow. So this guy, his red touching yellow, he is the only venomous snake that has this pattern. Okay, moving on to the mimicry of this snake. Yeah. This is the scarlet snake. He's mimicking the coral snake over there. He has the same pattern, but in a different way. Look at this little tiny guy. He's teensy tiny. This is a non-venomous snake. Unlike the coral snake is very venomous. Once again, this is Emma Lost and saying...